Hey, today got a Boker. Saw this on White Mountain Knives. Looks pretty interesting. Pouch. And a big green knife. It's Terzuola design. Green micarta. Nice. Leave this 3.9 inch Nitro V blade. Yeah. All right. Check this thing out in some sunlight. Pretty good looking micarta. Reminds me of the shag carpet in my apartment growing up. Nice smooth action. Right. Pretty good detent. Flips right open. Liner lock. Kind of a dual ground blade. It's barely steps down. Yeah, big old Terzuola design and fairly inexpensive. Yeah, this is cool. Reminds me of the Eagle Rock a lot. This is called the Tac-Master. Boker and Bob Terzuola. Kind of a olive colored green micarta. Smooth. Big cool long blade on this thing. Plenty of room to grip on there. A little jimping. Yeah, this thing's neat. It's kind of an impulse buy. It's like, I need to check this thing out. Big good looking knife. Yeah. The Tac-Master. Cool pivot. Got the Terzuola logo on there. Pretty nice pocket clip. Yeah, this is cool. A nice Terzuola design without costing an arm and a leg. Seems sweet. Tac-Master. Thanks for watching.